Welcome back YouTube, VST here at LSP Tech. This is the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Today is the 8th of January. And yesterday guys, the news broke out. There is already the January update, sadly not in the place where I live and most probably not in the country where you are from. But why then I'm making this video? Well, you know, there is like a second price, so don't get yourself frustrated. There is also another very important update you most probably have but did not apply on your phone. What do I have in mind? Go inside your settings, scroll down guys and find the security section. So scroll down and navigate to the security. So security is here, security and privacy. Inside you're gonna get this one suggestion. The Google Play system update is needed. Update to keep your phone secure. And you know what is quite crazy guys? Those phones, the phones from Samsung, specifically the S series, they're getting so many updates, sometimes even ahead of Google Pixel's ones. And this is quite funny because when you press here on the updates guys, you're gonna see that the security update of this phone is from the 1st of December last year, but the Google Play system update guys is from last year July, and this smells old, right? So this is old. Click here, restart to update. Here on that restart button guys, make sure to do this because this is really important. We need to keep our phones up to date, specifically Androids. Yeah, there are so many people out there doing all kind of tools and apps and you know, otherware, all of this. So we need to make sure that all the phones are secure. Most probably you're installing some, compromised APKs and whatsoever. So all the time, you need to make sure that you're running the latest security patches. And it's so good that Samsung are really trying to push. Even again, as I said, in some of the cases they are ahead of Google's updates, and this is really great. I now have updated my phone. I'm gonna go back, check some settings guys, and make sure to check your phone. You might have the A53, you might have an A32, you might have an S20 or S21. Make sure that both your system update is using the latest security patches and also the Google Play updates. While my phone is being rebooted, which takes a lot of time, I think this update is really causing this, I want to show you the A32. The A32 got finally the One UI 5 upgrade on the 5th of January, and this is really great. They introduced it something like October, so again Samsung doing crazy stuff for the A series, for the S series. I am still to review and fully test this, but you know what we're gonna do? I'm gonna go inside and I'm gonna go inside the privacy and security just to check what happens. And by the way, see, this update is no joke. It's really doing things on the background. Let me also check the Google Play system update on the A32. Again, remember the update came just some days ago. App security, all right, so that's good. So the updates here, security update is from the 1st of October and the Google Play system update is from the 1st of November. I'm now back on the S22 Ultra and everything looks green. You need to make sure that you have something like this. Looks good, everything is green. Click on the update, security update from the 1st of December, Google Play system for the 1st of November guys. And I'm also gonna hit here the scan button, click on app security, device protection of Google Play Protect last scan. So make sure guys to do all these things that are suggested here. This can only help you guys. So once you have a problem with something, the chances that you encounter less security problems are higher if you use all the tools that Samsung is providing you. Okay, and right now if I go back, I should see something like this. Looks good, and then looks good here as well. I really hope that guys you enjoy videos like this. Make sure to check your phones, family, friends, colleagues, everybody guys, stay safe until we meet in one of my next videos. VST over and bye.